Okay, progress check. Martin Luther King Day, January 16th, 2023. Right. So, new lights. These are LED color changing outlets, plate covers, all that's been switched. This is still drying, getting that wall smoothed up. It had a dinosaur texture. This is all new, and that needs to be, of course, smoothed out. Still in progress there, but that cabinet was put in, the new vanity, obviously all that stuff, and that's the glass I'm going to use for the mirror. Got some art up on the wall, and this is coming along. It's getting smoother. It's not quite there yet. Needs a coat of paint and another probably wash with compound. Now this I'm not going to do a whole lot with smoothing it out because this window is going to get torn out and replaced with an impact. Same thing with this one. So there's a little bit of junk up there. It'll get another coat of paint, and that just needs a plate cover for that. That part will get smoothed out, but since this is going to come out, same thing with those way over there. The frame around there is just going to sit tight for a second. So this is the new kitchen. Got to get a new plate cover here, smooth out this wall. This is what I mean about that texture. You can kind of see it. These are scrape marks from the putty knife. So we need to go from here to here. Well, that's fresh. Anyway, new cabinets. Mark that. That is the spice rack space. Customized. I had this to connect. I don't know if you can see the purple connector back there, but there's a aluminum to copper wire connector. That's a special thing that you have to do. Anyway, stone is new, of course. This was all cut out. This used to be actually it was about the size of this window, or this sink. Mini dishwasher. Again, we're smoothing some things out. I just got some ventilation moved from there inside the ceiling part where the AC is, and connected. So that's going to get buttoned up and tightened up. You can kind of see in here this utility area. Everything is exposed there, but ultimately what's going to happen, this is getting smoothed out too. It just needs to dry. This is going to be opened up, and washer dryer will go there facing out this direction because it's too wide to go facing out to the hallway. So floors are new. These are the original floors. Figured, okay, Mediterranean-ish, definitely 90s, but it's not a bad installation. It looks all right. So with the baseboard trim that matches up with the height of the, I don't know, you can kind of see it better over here. Same thing with the pattern. It's consistent, so it works. The baseboard trim is the same height as that, so that makes kind of a nice, it works to leave it there. This window, obviously, that's got to go. Seams, corners, those are drying, and those will be sanded and painted, but there's a fresh coat of paint on everything at least once, including the ceiling, and that popcorn has been removed. This used to be sealed off right there with this weird long sort of magnet close space that it was all the way up here in the first place. So to have it, storage, you wouldn't be able to use anything up there or be able to get to it. So I just opened all that up and replace that with a light. So now they're, instead of a fixture, run cord cable up and around here, and to get that, so now that there's a switch controlled light in the room. This one is used to go to a bulb that hung right here, so I extended that to a flat panel or a flush mount LED panel. Super bright. This is also ventilation that I added just earlier today, and got that fan installed, and the wiring is all connected. So that's new. That box right there is also new. That's going to be where the next vanity light fixture is going to hang from, a little taller than where it is now. This is obviously getting smoothed out. That'll be a closet system. But in any case, this light switch now connects this and this guy, which is the other one of the 2-pack of that's a LED color changing thing. You just connect it with your phone. So this has all been smoothed out and painted. There we are. Yeah, that window's got to go. In here, salvage the glass from the other bathroom. I'm going to put that up on the wall once the vanity's in, and then, make a frame around it. The bathroom floor is in. It's a little dirty in here because I was just working on that today, so it's getting a smooth out. This is what I was telling you earlier. That's all been, I got all that put in. and wired correctly. Beautiful. So that's the patch. This is still wet. The graph paper sort of tile pattern in the shower is going to be last, because there too, that window back there, also trim piece, that window back there is going to have to get ripped out and put in with impact, because I can hear the neighbors coughing. So, yeah, there we go. This is an AC pancake unit under there. It's needs to be replaced, honestly. I need to get a new fixture for that, obviously paint around it, but all that's been scraped. All this has been opened. I'm going to replace the lights with a single track that goes from here and then comes it to a T. So it's going to go basically right in between there and there. So simply one line and a cross line, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 spots, 5, 6, maybe a 7th one in there. Let's see. Disposal, blah, 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 blah. Let's see, trim work. This wall is pretty well done. Right, so there we go. There's the dog. And yeah, again, that popcorn up there was all the way. And then, of course, a drop ceiling. So that is about where we are at this point. Let's see. Oh, see, you can see where those seams are. They're going to be replacing the roofs in this community, and I think there's a little bit of staining to suggest that there might have been some seeping or moisture condensing. Oh, this is it. So that place I earmarked for you for the spice rack. This is the spice rack to be. So that's going to go in on top of those sliders, and it'll be a pull-out. And that is about where we are as of today.